Hey guys, thanks for stopping back into the shop today. I'm Zach, and this is Zach's Muscle Motors. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to change valve stem seals on your LS heads. They have a couple tools that you can use to do this, but if you're just a backyard guy, or you're just having to do something in a pinch to get yourself back up and running, this will get you by. So these are where your rockers mount into. Get you a 5 or 6 inch bolt that meets this thread, and you're going to kind of play with it just a little bit to get the right pitch and stuff on your retainer that you need. But just throw a bunch of washers on it like that and a large one at the end. Get that started. Get several threads in there. You don't want to strip them out. It's going to put a little bit of pressure on them. What you're going to do, and I hope you guys can see this in my last video about valve seals, some people complained because they couldn't really see, so I'm hoping this is a little better for you. I stuff a paper towel in here. That keeps the valves from kind of moving around. And once you've got that in place, you just take you a pickle fork or a ball joint spreader, whatever you want to call it. You go in here just like this, press down, use a magnet, pull the keepers out, set those off to the side. Now, I know you're going to say, well, there's ain't any valve seals in there. I know, because I just lapped these in and I was just doing a fit, and that's it. So when you get your valve stem seals, you're gonna have two different ones. You got some for your intake and some for the exhaust. The one for the intake side is got a black top, and then the one for the exhaust side here has a brown top. So kind of see the difference. So exhaust, intake. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get a little bit of oil and just put it on my rag right here, and I'm going to lube down the top of this stem here. You don't want to gald the seal when you put it on, so just lightly get it started. It doesn't take a whole lot. Just make your way down and make sure it fits flush. Wiggle it around, and then it sits all the way to the bottom, just like that. And you go back here, put your spring back on, and right now I'm just putting these on to kind of get these out of my way, but I am going to be upgrading these to titanium keepers and retainers and dual springs. I'm not going to keep the beehive springs here, but set your retainer or your retainer clips back in there, just like that. Unscrew it, and it's as simple as that. So you just make your way down through all of them, replace all your seals, and then you're good to go. I'm also going to make a video maybe later today about how to lap the valves in. I'll show you a couple different ways of doing it. One's kind of controversial, but again, I'm showing you guys kind of stuff that you can do at home instead of having the machine stuff to do all this, unless you want to take it to a reputable machine shop. If you don't feel comfortable doing it yourself, if you got the money to spend, you can do that. If not, this is stuff that you can do at home by yourself with the tools that you have to make this stuff work. So stay tuned. I'll get that video posted too. Again, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for stopping in. Have a good one.